Alright guys, we're back with another one. Well, this time I got a little bit of update on this build right here. It's playing, but the deal is, well, it's been playing for a little minute now, but I don't even think I really did many videos on it. Let me see. It's a mess. It still got a lot of stuff down here on the floor. But anyway, the headliner right here, well, it ain't the headliner. The sunroof got stuck one night. So I had to go in there and I had to pull this down and manually go in there and try to there's like a little hinge in there where you can twist it with a hex key and you can close it. So that's what we did. And then of course this broke. This came down right here. So all right, I get everything back together and all that. You know, everything is playing. Which that's fine and all good. But then what I run into, it's flapping. Well, I'm thinking it's this part here. But once this part right here came off, I think it started flapping. So I'm gonna try to mount that back up. But what I think I'm gonna end up doing is hot out here, guys. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, and I ain't gonna be out here too long myself. But I think what's gonna have to happen is I'm gonna have to come on down with this, bring it on down. I'm gonna do a sunroof delete and do a wood roof on the inside. But I'm thinking about wood roof or Vibraflex. I'm not really, I don't know, you know, what kind of options I really have with this, because at this point, you know, it just flapping, making noises. Of course, when I put this trim back around it, you know, this little trim right here, it'll kind of help it from doing a little bit of that, because it'll hold it, you know, around there to keep it from jumping and moving. Then when I put this back on there, it kind of hold it in place. But yeah, that's where I'm at, man. And it just flapped, you know, in the back behind the wall right here. What happened was it came on, it's like some pins that hold it, like 3 or 4 pins across the top back, which hold it up. But it came down. But you know, so I'm on the fence, guys. Let me know in the comments what y'all do, how y'all do it. But if y'all can see right here, it's another, we shrunk the port a little bit on the front right there. And of course I got them screw holes in there. I gotta cover that up some kind of way, but we'll get to that. But to me, it looks a whole lot better than what it did as far as the front, because we had to paint the other one. But the router, it ended up scratching up the front of this one, so it still looks better to me. But like I say, it does play pretty good. But like I say, man, we gotta get this thing worked out some kind of way. I wish I would better turn it on. I got 2 12Ks on this. I don't have a USB in here, so I can't turn it on. 2 12Ks on this right here. So yeah, this start bringing stuff down, the bed, the headliner there. So we'll get that down. I mean, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm thinking we're gonna do this sunroof delete. And from what I'm thinking is get the same exact measurements as the sunroof right here, have it fit in there, or maybe a little bit bigger to bring it right onto the edge, and then we get it cut and welded in, and then we can do the rest. But it's real hot out here, and I ain't gonna hold y'all long. Be sure to like, subscribe, use the link down below, support the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. And be sure to go to Shop BASSWITHKEV and pick up some merch, and we'll be back.